अभी तक बड़ा वाला कोई
I don't know whom did I kill, but
I shot
got someone.
You're on the target.
ये लेवा वो पागल है कोई
कौन सा
बटन कर दिया
Changing mag.
ओके
Damn, I think
Okay, man.
नाइस
Yeah, I think
नहीं नाइस शॉट है इसका
that's a good shot.
okay. We're gonna be handling the if statement now. The assignment is, I think it's pretty good right now. We're gonna create some variables. We can also try this D, and this should fail. But just to be sure, what am I gonna do? Statement handler, expression handler. Yep. Variable C that found in parameter scope because C has not been initialized anywhere. But if you set it to B, yep, it's working. What about this? Yeah, so everything's working. Assignment is working. Next thing we're gonna be working on is if statements. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. And unlike statements, this one doesn't really do anything. Let me just pull out my keyboard. Okay, just give me a minute. I gotta take that's phone. Okay, I'm back. So for if statement, we don't really have to return anything because yeah, it doesn't really return anything. It's gonna push this one. Assignment used to return a and we're gonna pass in our so if, right? So we have a condition. we're gonna have an expression handler class. Expression handler, we don't really know what kind of expression we're gonna be dealing with, so let's just do this. And we're gonna pass in if statement dot statements condition. Yeah, this is going to evaluate to something. Evaluate a bool condition. Okay, I want to know. I want to print or the right line. Oh, I got it. Then. Okay, so we can kind of add it. Need to fix this bug that if it's empty, then we have to do something. We can fix it later on. Okay, expression is done. Then we have another scope, right? The scope is going to be creating, if statement is going to be creating its own little scope. And then we have the statements, right? So that's gonna be if statements dot if condition now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the if block else. So what we can do is if statement dot statements for each statement. For every single statement we're gonna do something. Okay, but not yet, we're not gonna do that. We need a handler for that, right? Do new statement interpreter. We can pretty much do this, honestly. Sorry, why am I cutting it? So this is what we have right now. So if we run it, then we're done with this fucking scope, dude. How many scopes do we have? Okay, let's add a 2 string to the scope. False. Fuck yes, we can do an if-else statement now. That is amazing! So I think we can make it shorter, this statement. 2 from 10. Condition dot statements. Condition is false, and if statement dot else statements count greater than 0. Yeah, we can just keep it as it is, man. Fuck off. No need for all this complexity. Try to find, look inside into every day. Try holding on as you run into day. Okay, if it's done, I think the next one we can do is until the like loops. But I want to know about the structure, like structures. I don't know what do I call them. So we have this, right? It's gonna create scopes and scopes and scopes. But I want to know about the this one should fail. Yep. I want to know if the scopes are actually getting, you know, removed. So I think one way to do that is just to check if it's actually working. So let's have a global variable or something.
Wake up, you're fine, and you're not giving up yet. Wake up, it's time to get these voices out of your head, out of your head.
It should have functioned like static.
Wake up.
And then we also have public static void clean. It's just for testing purpose so that we know that everything is working fine. Or we can just do it in the scope class itself. That's gonna make much more sense.
Wake up. Out of your head.
So by default it's gonna be empty. We're gonna have
Wake up, you're fine, and you're not giving up yet. Wake up, it's time to get these voices out of your head, out of your head. Wake up.
we have this. We're in scope list, and then we're gonna be returning. Done. What we're gonna do is go to do list. Go. Do it.
Donne-moi ton cœur, baby, ton corps, baby. Donne-moi ton bon vieux funk, ton rock, baby, ta soul, baby. Chante avec
It's now
moi, je
done.
veux une
Hope you know that ad.
like you. Pour m'emmener au bout du monde, une femme like you.
Fuck, dude.
Donne-moi ton cœur, baby, ton corps, baby. Donne-moi ton bon vieux funk, ton rock, baby, ta soul, baby. Chante avec moi, je veux un homme.
Okay, we can't do it this way. It's a pain in the ass.
Tu sais que tu me plais, un homme.
So what we can do is, if global scope is equals to no, we can just do scope to remove that add global scope. As simple as that. For each, and then we're gonna be scope. We're gonna the global scope to remove. Perfect.
How much better can I show my love for you? And say I do, I do, I do.
Really makes sense if it's null, but it might hold a invalid or dead pointer, right? So I think it's gonna clean it up. Oh, why now we gotta go back in here. Whenever we are adding a... Is there a deconstructor in C#? I don't know. Deconstructor, I don't, so there is no deconstructor. I wanted to do something in right here. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is when we are creating this global dot add 아닌데 네. 네 여러분 나갔다잖아. Right. So scope dot
Autumn stinks so bad.
한번 고사
Why don't
나
hold on to it?
I don't know how the fuck do you manage to fuck up everything.
I'm so clumsy. Don't you know that? Ah, come on.
Do we have a 2-string for the scopes? We have 3 of them. I wanted it to get destroyed. Ah.
Turn me on with your electric feel.
I guess that is why people use C++ to get rid of all these nested constructors. And what we can do to fix this? Think about it. And it does kind of work. Well, let's do the until block first. Let's go. We don't need that. We have a condition. We have this, right? So we're gonna have a block. So it's gonna repeat the block every single time, and it's gonna create a new block for every scope into scope. Okay. Condition. New scope, then we can have a block, and the parent scope is gonna be this current scope. This is gonna be our block dot. We said variable, get variable, we don't really need that. What we need is a expression. We have the expression set up. What we need is interpreter. So let's just do another interpreter. Interpreter, statement interpreter. With scope, it's gonna be the parent. Sorry, this is gonna be the scope that's gonna work at. And then once we are done, so this is gonna be the level statement interpreter dot interpret statement, and the statement is going to be whatever we pass in. It's gonna be a bunch of statements, right? So until that statements for each. Okay, so this is gonna let's see if Didn't really do anything. Oh. Okay, then if this is the case, A to 1 until A is 10 feet. What do you want to repeat until A is 10? A set A to A plus 1. But with this boy, this fucking works, I'm gonna be so impressed. Oh yeah, we have to keep on repeating. It's gonna be a while. Condition. Wait, the condition's never gonna change, right? Condition. The expression interpreter. Condition. Until A is not 10, yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean? Why isn't it working? Oh yeah, oh my gosh, bro. We never used until statement. Al corazón, al corazón, al corazón. Oh yeah, set A, right? So variable, static variable. This is the local variable, but this is checking the upper variable. So okay, we gotta fix this one. Updating the variables. Expression, right? So expression is gonna be set A dot
Spaselo jamanak chini.
A is equals to assignment. Okay, it's an assignment operator. How am I supposed to know if the A is okay? I kind of know the problem, but I don't exactly know where is it getting shown as. A add 1. Current scope, right? This is it. If it has for the already, if it already has been assigned. Mm. We're gonna return tuple of the object, the scope object. tuple of the object that we are in scope, and then we are also gonna return a dictionary of a tuple. A tuple. This is gonna be this.
One of these old days, one of these old days, we ain't gonna have to cry no more. You see, God's gonna wipe away all our tears. He gonna wipe the tears.
We can do a var.
One of these old days, it'll all be over. Hey, it'll all be over. It'll all
The name, right? The name, comma.
You know that it's busy in my life right now. It ain't alright. Like in a daydream, I'm feeling like I'm paralyzed, so paralyzed. It ain't alright to keep acting fine. So why we do that now? We only talk when I'm drinking wine. We're caught up in all of our delights, like we forgot to smile.
Ugh.
Forgot to smile all night, yeah. You know it's been a while since we would smile for hours all night, yeah. Like we forgot to smile. So paralyzed. I know that the flower seems a little dry and out of style. Could say
Oh my gosh, we can even do scopes, what the fuck?
never change a thing, it'll be a lie.
This is amazing.
We forgot to smile all night, yeah. You know it's been a while.
Hả? Tùy tao mo? Nahan di.
So paralyzed.
Hey, I think we are pretty much done in here. Also, let's get rid of. You know that it's fucked. Cannot get rid of scopes that we don't need anymore. Woo!
What the fuck is that? Huh? You're putting me in a position I don't know what to do anymore. You call that a music video? It's a piece of shit, man. No clicks, no followers, no nothing. Nada. We're done with. Plastic mask? I mean, that's out. People don't get it. I mean, it's like, you think you're Michael Jackson or something? You know what? I want you out of here. I want you to pack up your gear and get out of here.
Keep on
You're
looping
fired.
until the value of A is set to 100, okay? And then inside the loop, every iteration we are going to increment the value of A by 1.
So what if I